We will start from zero, very simple English. First, what are privileges? In a computer system, users have different permission levels. Example in Microsoft Windows, Linux, there are normal user administrator, root, highest power. Normal user can use applications, read their own files, cannot change system settings. Admin, root can install software, access all files, control system, disable security. What is privilege escalation? Privilege escalation means, open quote, a normal user becomes admin root. Without permission, close quote, it is one of the most dangerous attack goals. Two types of privilege escalation. Vertical privilege escalation. User admin, low privilege to high privilege. Horizontal privilege escalation, user A, user B, same level but different account. Today we focus on vertical escalation. Step by step, how it usually happens. Let's imagine attacker already has normal user account or access through small vulnerability. Now what? Step 1. Attacker gets initial access. Examples: weak password, phishing, small web vulnerability, malware infection. Now attacker is inside system as normal user. Step 2. Attacker looks for weakness. They check for outdated system, misconfigured permissions, kernel vulnerabilities, SUID programs, Linux, services running as admin, weak file permissions. They are searching for a privilege escalation bug. Find a vulnerable component. Example 1. A program runs as root but accepts user input. Example 2. Kernel bug like dirty cow. Example 3. Misconfigured service running with admin rights. Step 4. Exploit the weakness example scenario. Simple. There is a program. You can see the code in our conversation history. It runs as root, but it allows user to modify a file it executes. Attacker modifies that file. When root runs backup, attacker's code runs as root. Now attacker becomes root. Step 5, gain attacker can access all files, create new admin accounts, disable logs, install backdoor system fully compromised. Check out real-world examples. Example 1, dirty cow, Linux, affected, Linux bug type, race condition and kernel memory. Impact, normal user root access, millions of systems affected. Example 2, Windows print spooler vulnerability, print nightmare. Affected, Microsoft Windows attackers exploited print service running with high privileges. Result, normal user system access, very serious vulnerability. Example 3, Android local privilege escalation. Android uses Linux kernel. Attackers exploit vulnerable drivers, memory corruption. Result, app with limited permissions, full device root used in spyware cases. Why privilege escalation is powerful? Because initial access may be small, but escalation makes attack, full system takeover, persistent, hard to detect. Common causes of privilege escalation: kernel bugs, weak file permissions, SUID misconfiguration, unpatched OS service running as admin, DLL hijacking, Windows, path misconfiguration. Entire simple visual flow. You can see the code in our conversation history. Final simple understanding privilege escalation equals turning small access into full control. It usually happens after attacker is already inside. It is not the first attack, it is the second stage attack. If you want next, I can explain horizontal privilege escalation. SUID explained very simply how hackers chain web bug root access, real-world attack chain example. Tell me what you want next.